Realme X3 Super Zoom. You might have heard quite a lot about this upcoming phone lately. This is a mid-range device from Realme, and while the company has not yet revealed when it is launching, there are chances of it launching on 25th of May in India because at that event, Realme is launching some new products like the Smart TV and Realme Watch. Anyways, until now we did not know how the Realme X3 Super Zoom looks like or what the specifications are, but now the full design as well as the specifications of the phone have been revealed by a website named Tech Hangout. This website posted the images of the phone as well as the full specifications of it, and if you go to the article link, you will not find it anymore because the article has been taken down. Nevertheless, we have all the images and the specifications that were revealed in this article, so in this video let us talk about the Realme X3 Super Zoom in detail. Talking about the design first, Realme X3 Super Zoom has a design similar to the Realme X50 Pro because there is the same dual punch hole selfie camera cutout on the front and a quad camera setup placed vertically on the top left on the rear. In fact, just like the X50 Pro, the Realme X3 Super Zoom does not have a headphone jack. One major design change is that the Super Zoom has a side-facing fingerprint scanner, unlike the Realme X50 Pro that has an in-display fingerprint scanner. So yes, when it comes to the design, Realme X3 Super Zoom looks like just another Realme phone and there is not anything special about the design. Coming to the specifications, the phone has Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset, and Realme went for the last year's chipset to make the price as low as possible. There is up to 12GB LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB UFS 3.0 storage that is not expandable. The display panel is the reason why the fingerprint scanner is on the right side instead of under the display. It is a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD panel with 120Hz refresh rate. So that is another area where Realme has done cost cutting. The quad camera setup on the back is pretty interesting because for the very first time on any Realme phone, there is a periscope camera. This periscope camera features OIS, 5x optical zoom and up to 60x digital zoom. Well, it is all due to this periscope camera that the phone has Super Zoom in its name. Talking about other cameras, there is a primary 64MP Samsung GW1 sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide camera and a 2MP macro camera. On the front, there are dual selfie cameras that include a 32MP primary camera with Sony IMX616 sensor and a secondary 8MP wide-angle shooter. Finally, Realme X3 Super Zoom comes with a 4200 mAh battery and 30W fast charging support. So looking at all these specifications, it won't be a surprise if Realme X3 Super Zoom launches at a price lower than the price of Realme X2 Pro, that is under 30,000 in India. So at what price do you think Realme should launch this phone? Do let me know your opinions in the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.